This is just unbelievable. I hate it when I cry this early in the morning, but look at this. This is all just... This one in particular makes me break. It just made me cry because they worked so hard after what happened last year, and this is so much worse now. Firemen just told me that pretty much all the bridges coming into town are gone. You can see up here, that's gone up there. This is Brook Road. That's was my little fantasy house that I thought I'd like to buy. I mean, there was a fence there. Everything is gone. I can't describe that any better. I guess I'll walk a little closer and maybe not talk. And I hope she's okay. There's a woman who bought this house behind this rubble here a couple years ago now. I stopped walking by. Never mind. And just found out no deaths. Said the fireman told me there were some close calls. I know the people who lived here. Oh, poor Yoko. Oh, there's nothing you can do in this case. There's just nothing you can do. As hard as these people worked, everyone on this street last year, it was like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Mailboxes. This is now. There will never be any rebuilding here. I don't know what we're gonna do. How do we fucking fix this? The answer is we need to start fixing it 30 years ago. This is climate change, people. Okay, so the road was there. It's gone. Someone's still in that house. I don't know who it is. And I just asked them why I don't have water, and he said because the whole water department, it's all gone. It's destroyed. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. All our little businesses in town. Oh my God, so it looks like, wait a minute. So the river's not even there anymore. It's crazy. I gotta shut this off. This really gets me here though.